Hi, I'm Matt Nemeth with E+E Elektronik. I'm at our U.S. headquarters located just outside Chicago. E+E Elektronik manufactures a wide range of humidity and temperature sensors designed for industrial drying applications. Regardless of where your process is located on the globe and what industry you're in, humidity is a challenge. Whether that's in building materials, textiles, agriculture, or food, controlling dryness is a key part of your manufacturing process.
It's difficult to monitor humidity levels in industrial drying applications. Materials are typically dried in vats or kilns that need continuous high heat to operate. Operators today are choosing digital sensors over a traditional sensor like a wet bulb, because digital sensors offer significant advantages.
But an operator must be careful when selecting which type of a digital sensor to use. A standard humidity sensor in a plastic housing will not survive an industrial drying application. Over time, the continuous high heat will wear out the seals and humidity will actually get inside this housing and start to deform it. And once that happens, this sensor will inevitably malfunction. This is very costly as it requires that the operation be shut down and for a new sensor to replace the existing one. But we do have solutions. This is the most robust humidity sensor in our portfolio. This is the humidity and temperature probe for the HTS-801. It is designed to operate in these high temperature, high humidity environments. First, the stainless steel probe contains high heat seals to ensure that it can operate within the industrial grade drying environment. Stainless steel will also not deform over time. This sensor is also designed to operate at high temperatures up to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 356 degrees Fahrenheit. In high humidity applications, to prevent condensation, the tip is actually warmed. That prevents condensation from forming and flooding the sensor, making sure that you get accurate readings throughout the entire process. Each sensor comes equipped with a filter cap. This is the first line of defense to preventing dirt and dust accumulation on the element itself. When this gets dirty, simply unscrew it, remove, replace with a new one, toss the old one, and your sensor is ready to operate again. At some point, the sensor will need to be recalibrated. We make this simple as well. The HTS-801 utilizes what we call Rapid X technology. Simply pull down on the connector to remove the old probe. Replace with a calibrated device, the Rapid X technology in the HTS-801 will automatically read the calibrated data inside the probe itself. No need to turn it off, it'll start working again. We try to make your maintenance as easy as possible. Then simply send the removed probe to us for calibration. We will clean, calibrate, and certify that the probe is ready for operation. Once you receive it back, you can simply put it on the shelf and wait for the next time you have to swap them again. This will save an enormous amount of time and prevent you from having to shut down your entire operation. We also understand that many of our customers operate in hazardous environments. We manufacture an intrinsically safe version, and that sensor will operate in Class 1, Division 1 environments. E+E also manufactures the HTS-401 humidity and temperature sensor. This is designed for applications that aren't nearly as robust or demanding as what you'd find for the HTS-801. These are also easy to calibrate using our Rapid X technology. Remove the filter cap, remove the element itself, replace with a new calibrated element, replace the filter cap, and the sensor will automatically read the new calibrated data.
It's time to stop using methods that are costing you valuable time and money. E+E has been your partner in sensor technology for over 40 years. We have a reputation for reliability and accuracy. Our sensors help you make a better quality product for your customers. If you're looking for a sensor for your drying application, consider using E+E Elektronik. Humidity should not control your drying process, you should.